Okay, welcome back. Now, when we talk about automation, we always have to think of saving as much time as possible in each and every action in our application. That's when your application becomes user-friendly and robust. So, in this automation world of Django development, we mostly execute time-consuming tasks asynchronously. Asynchronous means you can start a time-consuming task and continue doing other things without waiting for that task to complete. It simply means we are executing the time-consuming task in the background so that the user does not have to wait for it to complete. For running such a task in the background, we use a tool called Celery. So Celery allows you to execute task asynchronously. Okay. For example, if a user submits a form that triggers an email, you can use Celery to handle the email sending task in the background while your application immediately responds to the user. Also, Celery is widely used for scheduling the tasks that run at a specific time intervals. Let's consider one simple real-world example. Imagine you have an e-commerce website. When a customer places an order, you want to send them an confirmation email. Instead of making the customer wait for the email to be sent before showing a thank you message on the website, you can use Celery. You define a Celery task for sending emails, and when an order is placed, your application would enqueue the email sending task for Celery to handle. This way, your website can respond quickly to the customer while Celery takes care of sending the email in the background. So that's how you can automate these email sending processes or any time consuming processes. Another example, if you're working on large data set and you want to import or export it, or you are working on a data analysis project and you want to do some major data manipulation, so such operations can take a lot of time. As you saw in the previous video, our data import took more than 6 minutes, right? So in such scenarios, we will have to implement Celery, so that users don't have to wait while they are navigating in our website. Okay. In the next video, we will understand how exactly Celery works.